Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study history NCERT books for UPSC. First, understand the syllabus thoroughly to identify relevant topics. Start your journey with the Class 6 to 8 NCERT to build a strong foundation in ancient, medieval, and modern history. Then, move on to the Class 9 to 12 books, which offer more in-depth analysis and crucial details for the examination. This systematic approach ensures comprehensive coverage and better retention of information. To study effectively, read each chapter at least 2 to 3 times. The first read should be for general understanding, and subsequent reads for detail and note-taking. Focus on creating concise notes, perhaps using bullet points or flowcharts, to summarize key events, dates, and important figures. Crucially, try to connect different historical events and understand their causes and effects, rather than just memorizing isolated facts. This helps in developing a holistic perspective. Active learning is key, so summarize each chapter in your own words after reading. This process helps solidify your understanding and makes information easier to recall. Consider using visual aids like mind maps or timelines to organize complex historical periods and their interconnections. Consistent revision of your self-made notes is absolutely essential. Aim for weekly or bi-weekly revision sessions to ensure that the information remains fresh in your memory for the long term. Finally, put your knowledge to the test by solving previous year's UPSC questions. This helps you understand the exam pattern and identify areas needing more attention. Practice writing answers regularly, focusing on structure, clarity, and incorporating historical facts effectively. This will significantly improve your analytical and presentation skills for the main examination. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals to make your study routine smoother.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.